Suspected HPAI virus outbreak threatens wildlife on Marion Island. In a concerning turn of events, South Africa's Marion Island may be facing a critical environmental challenge. The Department of Forestry, Fisheries, and the Environment has raised an alarm about a possible outbreak of the High Pathogenicity Avian Influenza (HPA) virus on this remote subantarctic outpost. Home to a rich array of seabirds and marine wildlife, Marion Island's ecosystem is at potential risk as these species may have fallen victim to the rapidly spreading pathogen. The concern arose after multiple bird casualties were observed, suggesting a strong likelihood of HPAI's presence. The island, positioned within the southern Indian Ocean, is a biodiversity hotspot and a crucial breeding ground for several seabird species. Among the affected, at least 3 breeding seabird species have reportedly experienced mortality, a grim indication of the virus's potency. Initial suspicions were confirmed with a brown skua in September 2024, followed by 5 more cases involving wandering albatross chicks and southern giant petrel adults in November of the same year. The field staff of 11, currently wintering on the island, have the daunting task of monitoring these developments. They've been thoroughly trained to not only identify, but also manage and mitigate potential HPAI cases among birds and seals. The overarching goal is to restrain any possible transmission while rigorously gathering data to inform a prompt and appropriate reaction to the emerging situation. The transcontinental journey of HPAI to Marion Island, according to experts, could have been facilitated by migrating birds. Since 2021, HPAI has spread across continents, and Marion Island's susceptibility is the latest in a series of global ecological concerns. The virus's footprint has encompassed areas like South Georgia and even reached further south to Antarctica. In response to this critical environmental hazard, an action protocol has been established. Alongside the Western Cape Veterinary Services, marine ornithologists, and several national and international experts, the Department of Forestry, Fisheries, and the Environment is spearheading efforts to manage the situation. The established protocol for the management of high pathogenicity avian influenza in seabirds strives to comprehend and potentially curb the virus's impact on Marion Island's biodiversity. As the island supports a rich diversity of wildlife, counting nearly half of the world's wandering albatrosses and an astounding number of penguins, the stakes couldn't be higher. The presence of vast populations of southern elephant seals, along with subantarctic and Antarctic fur seals, adds to the urgency of protecting this vital subantarctic sanctuary. While the immediate focus remains on surveillance and mitigation efforts, the broader implications for conservation and wildlife management are profound. The emergent situation on Marion Island is a poignant reminder of the delicate balance within natural ecosystems and the far-reaching effects of viruses like HPAI. Thank you for choosing Satori News.